Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Amanda Zakri, and today we're heading to the Keys. We'll be with my friends Mike and Michelle, their dog Lily, and our friends Courtney and Joey. But first, we're heading to Texas. Alright, so this is it. I am moving out of my Airbnb. I am a nomad again. I had a home base for 4 months and I'm leaving. So I'm putting everything back into storage and yeah, we're heading out. I've got a lot of mixed feelings about it, but I've been really working on accepting it and embracing this season of my life. Something challenging right now though is that I just got a bunch of stitches in my abdomen. And so I'm trying really hard not to stretch the wrong way or lift anything heavy. So I'm just packing, and then I'm gonna have a friend load up my car with the stuff. And then in 2 days, I'm flying to Florida. So I wanted to fill you guys in. Literally yesterday morning, got stitches in my abdomen. I'm moving. I'm looking for a new place for my mom. I've got a lot going on. So I usually just post the travels, but I figured I'd give you just a little taste, a little behind the scenes of the kind of stuff that goes on when I'm at home. I mean, this is unusual, the packing, but I don't want to bore you guys. Let's get you over to the video. All right, guys, I just made it to West Palm last night and spent the night at Mike and Michelle's house. So we're packing up to head to the Keys now. And we have a boat day ahead of us and lots of fun adventures. I can't wait to take you guys along. And of course, we love Mike and Michelle, so make sure to follow their new Instagram. I think they have some videos on the way. I'll link all of that in the description below.
Lily, you excited? Are you excited? Hello! We ready for a road trip?
Go to the Keys? She's already drooling into your bag.
Huh?
She's already drooling into your bag.
Oh my gosh, let me get it.
Alright guys, we're going to the Keys.
Stopping at Starbucks, just a quick little break and letting Lily out, getting some yummy drinks, good food. We're a few hours out.
First, it was time to provision.
We just made it here to Big Pine and are unloading the car. We provisioned a little bit. We're getting set up. Hi. Hello. Hello. I made friends. Hello. Hello, beautifuls. Good day, sir.
I said good day.
I said good day. Good thing it's not like a 600-pound bear. All right, we're about to put this boat in the water.
We came to Big Pine to cruise around on the center console for a weekend. But first, we had to launch the boat. We had the boat in quickly and were ready to go pick up the rest of our crew. Nothing beats a sundown journey on the water with friends and family.
Little sunset cruise.
What do you think, Los?
You like?
You're doing great. What are you doing?
Tacos for dinner. Shrimp tacos, beans. That's what we have.
We're improvising. We've got original taco seasoning.
Old El Paso.
All those bad boys.
We did a quick revision in like 10 minutes on the way, so we're optimistic about how this is going to turn out.
I didn't realize how many people would be eating dinner here.
Yeah, so stay tuned and we'll show you the final product.
We're going to show her what you're talking about.
After dinner, we went to bed early so we could paddleboard at sunrise.
Everyone's gonna go paddleboard this morning, and I just had stitches in my abdomen, so I'm gonna refrain this time. Okay, change of plans. I am going. I'm gonna put on a one piece, which is a rare thing for me. All right, so I actually am gonna go with them. Just gonna hop on Michelle's board. Yay! Thank you. You're welcome. Look at this. Oh, it's completely glass out here. It's gorgeous. So flat. Oh. Wow.
We're taking some of them on the boat, right?
Whatever you want to do.
This is really my kind of trip. I love a relaxing and present weekend with friends and family.
I'm reporting live from the eye of the storm.
This is nice.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to join us for part 2 next week.